It may be hard to believe, but most local schools have already been in session for a month. 3 News Now reporter Ruta Olsenaida has been closely following different school districts' plans on reopening and case numbers, and has more on what's been going right and what still needs work, according to the experts.
We are officially 1 month into back to school. And so what do we know? Well, we know that cases continue rising within schools and that extra precautions could be taken, but that all of this was expected.
It certainly could be worse, but could be better.
Last Thursday, Douglas County Health Director Dr. Addie Poor stated that there are around 70 confirmed cases in K-12 students in Douglas County and 55 staff. She says the responsibility falls on the schools themselves and the parents.
You know, schools have really tried to do the best they can, and they have had good plans in place. But they need to rely on parents to do the right thing.
Dr. James Lawler has worked with the UNMC team of back-to-school medical experts to help schools during this difficult time. He says there are things that he believes are definitely helping and things that still need some work. Dr. Lawler says schools rearranging flow and desks to social distance has helped, along with limiting capacity in the buildings and masking. What hasn't worked so well is too crowded of schools and sports and activities in larger crowds.
So sporting events are among those things that will contribute to increased case numbers.
Dr. Lawler has more hope for month 2, but that things may get complicated with flu season just around the corner.
I think we come into the challenge of the weather getting colder, so people spending more time indoors together, typically less outdoors, and other respiratory viral illnesses that tend to peak in the cold months, including influenza.
Since we know community transmission directly affects schools, it's important for the community to continue using safe practices so schools can continue on in month 2, 3, and beyond.
Clearly, there's a lot of improvement that could be made here, and we could tamp down transmission levels to what they are in the Northeast, and that would give us a lot more freedom to get more kids back in school, to get school schedules looking more like normal.
Reporting in Omaha, Ruta Olsenaida, 3 News Now.
Parents should also try to be more attentive and cautious this upcoming month to watch out for COVID-19 during flu season.